Hi, my name is Mark, and I would like to tell you about Friendizing and our way of tapping into your friends' knowledge. Do you know how much time and effort an average consumer needs just to buy a laptop? Only to find out later it doesn't suit his needs. Why? There are simply too many options. The reviews just can't be trusted anymore. The naive era of internet is over. And you may not be up to date on the latest x86Z spec. So, when are you actually happy with your purchases? When you got reference from your friends. Friendize empowers the consumers who are overwhelmed and frustrated today by tapping into their friends' knowledge for trusted advice and enabling them to purchase the right product or service online. How? By effortless interaction in requesting and providing of personalized advice, resulting in best value for money possible for the requester and satisfaction for the provider.